Welcome to FXStreet. If you like the content we are producing, you want to be updated to it on a regular basis, head on over to YouTube, go to the FXStreet channel, and hit that subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually, Akash at Mangeko and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Decentraland here, Mana. But first, we looked at this on Tuesday, and again last week, and I created a customized metaverse index, and and how this relative rotation graph is kind of comparing like fruits. So you've got apples to apples that are closer to the center, and you got apples to oranges out here, and then you've got apples to fire hydrants out here. I mean, it's just kind of nothing compares to what the metaverse tokens are doing, because they were all the way back here. If we go back a few days, this is where it was at on the 1st of December, and then you can just kind of see the weakness come in and continue. And yeah, that's what's going on. Mana definitely still has a lot of downside potential ahead of it. So it's had a really nice bounce, and it looks supportive on the weekly chart, but it just broke down below the crazy extremes it was at, in that above 90 and 80. And the composite index is about to cross below both of its averages. So there's a lot of downside pressure yet here for Decentraland. Certainly, I see it coming down to that 250 zone, possibly to $2, but definitely below 3 now to that 250 area. You've got Senko Span B's at 275, and then just a little bit above 250 is the 382 fib retracement. That's what I see happening here. However, it can very easily convert back into a full-blown bull mode if we get a daily close above 423. That happens before Sunday. That will still keep the Chiku span in open space and still keep it in a very, very strong bullish condition. But otherwise, yeah, I still see it drifting lower. Pass it off to you, Akash. Tell us what you see.
Okay. So I did write an article today for Mana, where before I get into that, I just want to say the last time we did this, again, it's the same thing. I was expecting it to bounce off of the 70.5 fib here at 3.4, and probably retest the range high, but that actually didn't happen. It fell short and retraced down again. And so far, again, we're back at the 70.5 fib. Failed to retest the 79 level here at 3.32, and seems like things are starting to pick up pace. And if you look at it, there's a ton of consolidation that kind of took place here. So I think it's fairly easy to say that it's going to go above here right now, 3.5. And obviously, again, what I'm expecting is for Mana to head into this particular liquidity zone here, running from 4.4 to 4.6. But considering how Bitcoin is a little fragile, I think, yeah, I think fragile works best now. So I think I wouldn't want to overdo it. So I'm looking for liquidity above here, a double top formation, which is 3.8. From the current position, this would be a 12% upswing, is what I'm looking at for Mana. Nothing else, I think, I'm afraid. If we do move above this, I think it's $4, 4.01. And in an extremely bullish case, 4.2, but I don't see it going higher for now. So yeah.
All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Thank you, Akash. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.